Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. If you are a new viewer, go to my channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking our videos, then go hit the subscribe button to be a part of this large family. And yes, today's topic is going to be how to pick intraday stock between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, so first of all, before I start off with this session, I would like to tell one thing to all the subscribers and all the viewers that strategy is not a magic, guys. Strategy is just an idea. Okay, so nobody in this world can predict how the market moves. Okay, the market movement happens and we need to take advantage of those market movements. To take advantage of those market movements, we should do few planning or ideas or strategy or calculations, observations, so that we can take advantage of those movements which has happened in the history or which is going to happen due to various other factors in the past. So these are the various calculations is what a strategy is, and strategy can always be improvised, so there is always scope for improvisation, and as and when the market keeps changing, these strategies will fail. Sometimes the strategy which failed earlier can become super hit later. So you should have all these techniques in mind. So when you have a lot of strategies in mind, when you look at the market, when it is performing the same way it did long back, you will know what trick I should use, or which advantage or what type of advantage can I take at this particular moment. So hope this particular idea also will be an add-on to your knowledge. So this is for learning purpose, so only observe. This is an observation homework for all my subscribers, our Smart Trader family, so that they can practice and become better. So without wasting time, I'll start off with this simple observation strategy which you can start observing. So the first rule in this particular strategy is a basic rule that Nifty 50, right? You know Nifty 50, or the market which we tell, the Nifty 50, this, the percentage you see over here should be 0.20 percentage above. This is green, this is red. The green is upside bullish, this is bearish, green and red. So that's the reason I colored this for you guys. And if market is above this 0.21, 0.25, 0.30 up to 1%, it is good for buy side. If it this is red side, if it is negative 0.21, 0.30, 1% negative, then it is good for sell side. If the question is, if it is between these two, I would say ignore for all the beginners, because I would say do not take any chances or risk, because if strategy is not giving you such signal, then do not trade for that particular day. There is no hard-earned rule that you should trade every day. If strategy and idea is working out, then only trade, or else ignore. If you are an experienced trader, then you can observe based on your risk. So once this parameter is done, next we will go to check open high low between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. only. Okay, so for the people who do not know open high low, when open price of the stock is equal to the low of the stock, then we go towards the buy, and when the open of the stock is equal to the high for that particular day, then we go to sell. But there are a lot of stocks which will be in this particular rule, right? Open is equal to low and open is equal to high by 9:30 and all. But what we are going to concentrate is between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So after 10 a.m., whichever stock is still in this particular rule, open is equal to low, then only we are going to consider those particular stocks. This is just the theory part. I will show you practically how to check, where to check. But first understand this rule. First we'll check this theory part. We'll go to the practical. Again we'll read this theory so that you will understand it better. So now once this is done, you should always buy when the high breaks, right? For example, the market was about 0.20. Okay, now you are ready to trade for the day. You will wait till 10 o'clock and you will see which are the stocks in your radar. Open is equal to low. You're ready for the buy side. You got few stocks. You're going to put those stocks in your radar, and after that you will always buy when the high breaks. For example, the stock has made a, after 10 o'clock you took the stock has made a high of 100 and the stock is at 99. You are buying only when the stock is breaking its 100, because 100 is a resistance. If the stock can break the 100 resistance, definitely the stock can move. Observe up to 0.3% target. Observe that. Okay, I would say only observe. If you are a risk trader, you can observe more than that because you know better techniques. So same way with sell. when market is for the day, market is below this or whatever, it's above 0.20, 0.25, 27, I would say below 0 point, the negative side. So whenever it is negative and greater than this value 0.20, 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, like that, and 0 up to 0.20, then this formula open is equal to high. Stocks which are open is equal to high is considered after 10 o'clock, not before that. Later the stock can change also. So after 10 o'clock, if this is existing, after that we are going to always sell when the low breaks. Whatever the low of the stock is, we are going to sell only when it breaks. You can either use cover order or bracket order. Let me just go to the charts. Okay, and in Google just type open high low like this and hit, you get starting pivot trading like this. You have a lot of website, you can go to any of your favorite one, and after going into that, you get a list of stocks over here. So after 10 o'clock there will be a lot of stocks over here. For example, the market Nifty was above 0.20 green side, I would go with all the stocks with open is equal to low, what you studied here, right? If Nifty is green, open is equal to low. So Nifty is green, open is equal to low. These are the three stocks which I have. I will go and put these stocks in my radar. I just put already for you Coal India, ONGC, Kotak Bank, for example. So these three stocks are in my radar now. So once you put these three stocks in the radar, now you know what is the one thing. What you should do is you should look at the high of each stock. For example, this stock high is 281.95. This stock's high is 178.70. This stock's high is 1234. Nice number. So you should know what is the high, right? By heart you should know. At least so much you should keep in your mind. At least 3-4 stocks you can't keep high, means it's very difficult. So at least you should have a glance. 281.95 is the highest. Okay, so this highest is here, this highest is here. So you need to observe which are the stocks. Either you can keep alerts in Upstock, you can keep alerts in Zerodha also, you can keep alerts we have in Sentinel. So you have to keep alert if you're not able to monitor the stock, or else if you can monitor the stock for 1 hour, between 1 hour, then in your mobile, then you can observe which stock is going towards its high for that particular day. Suddenly if you see ONGC is going towards its high, then keep ONGC ready. You should keep calculate this based on your capital and keep how many stocks you can buy for these particular. When ONGC goes, immediately you will type and you will keep a cover order for this particular stock. If you see like this, you keep a cover order like this, you put all the target and all the price, so you will be ready. So if people want to buy exactly about the high, you can use a bracket order also like this. You can use a bracket order, SL bracket order, put the price where you want to buy. So if you don't have no time to, you are not quick person to hit the put the order, then you can use this particular bracket order and keep above the high itself, so that once it breaks its high, it will trigger yours and hit your 0.3% target, and you are done for the day. This is the observation what I'm trying to tell. But there are people who are quick enough, because what will happen, the particular stock will go towards the high, but it will not break its high. Maybe the next stock breaks its high. So that time you will be like, okay, I had put the stock in this and this stock went and broke. Either you can put your capital 50-50, or you can divide your capital to 3 sections or 2 sections and put in the top 2 stocks with highest percentage movement, and whichever breaks, next one you just remove that order. Next, the one which is trading, just trade with that. Either use cover order, if you are quick enough, immediately hit the buy and take the position like how I do, and once you're done with the target, you can exit. So these are the ways you can put order. Up to you how quick you are and based on your skill, because different people have different skills. You cannot have a same answer for everybody in market. So that is the point. So hope we'll just go through Nifty 50 greater than 20 green side or greater than 20 in the negative side. The value should be greater when I say greater. Okay. And open high low, you can go and Google out which are the stocks open high low. You will get the list, and once that is done, open is equal to low, buy, and open is equal to high, sell. And always buy when high breaks and always sell when low breaks. For selling side, it should break its low for the day. For buying side, it should break high for the day. That is when you are taking the position, observing 0.3% and see the chart. So start doing your observations. If you can do an observation, see how it works, write it down in a paper, see how you can improvise this. If you want to add more parameters, or if you want to add few indicators to it, or if you want to add few more logics to it, you can definitely do. Always we welcome that. It's good for you. So start thinking, start observing this. And there are a lot of people who do not have patience, and who are very greedy. So people who are like that will definitely go and try this out with their money, and if they lose money, it's like self-destruction. So always have the patience. You should start learning. You should observe always. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Don't jump into conclusion. Don't go by face value. Observe these strategies or ideas what you see everywhere. See how you can fit that into your skill and your style of trading, and see what are the changes you can do. See what other things will work for you. Later take your own decision. Okay, so start observing. Don't blindly go and trade. Okay, that will be a biggest mistake which you'll do. Nobody in this world can help you, to be frank. Only yourself can help in trading. For that, you should get the right mindset. So start observing. This is the homework for all our subscribers, and if you are not my subscriber, then go hit that subscribe button so that you can also learn a lot of video. If you like such video and if you want such video, then hit that like button and support our family. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.